देखो भाई, कैट को है ना नॉर्मलाइज करना है। नॉर्मलाइज कब होता है? व्हेन यू हैव अ बिग एप्पल विद अ स्मॉल एप्पल। एप्पल दोनों होनी चाहिए ना, ये भी एप्पल होगा तब मैं करूंगा ना कंपेयर। यहाँ पे एप्पल डाल दूंगा, यहाँ पे मैं कैक्टस डाल दूंगा। कैन आई कंपेयर एप्पल्स विद कैक्टस? नो। That is the reason why CAT always keeps some sort of easy questions in every slot. That enables them to compare the students in every slot. If one slot became very tough and other slot became very easy, it would be no comparison possible. So you would have the variation, normalization of almost 15-20 marks. कि slot 1 में किसी को 4 नंबर आए, बहुत डिफिकल्ट था तो उसको 19 देना पड़ रहा है मेरे को, और slot 2 में जो कि बहुत इजी था तो अगर उसके 30 नंबर आए तो उसको 4 नंबर देना पड़ रहा है मुझे. So this makes mockery of normalization process. So to maintain the sanity or the logic of normalization, they would always give easy questions in all the 3 slots that they have to do come what may, because that decides that every slot had proportionate level of easy questions. Some difficult, some high, yahan wahan ho gaya to wo normalize ho jata hai. Did you understand that these kind of questions will definitely be there? You have to just find that question. Clear everyone? So if you have this kind of question, 3 में से एक बन जाएगा. Hopefully एक अपने को is this fixed in अब तक ऐसा ही रहा है. I'm taking an example. हो सकता है कि 4 में से 2 हो जाए ऐसे, बट ये फिक्स नहीं है. पैटर्न चेंज होता रहता है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ऐसा मैंने देखा है लास्ट के 3-4 साल में. हो सकता है you might have more number of questions like this in every exam. CAT, like even IP MAT also, you'll find that they have similar pattern. They will give you around 4 to 5 questions and they will give you around 2 questions which are easy. So immediately identify the easy question, attack that question, finish it very quickly. Low hanging fruit, usko hum kehte hain. ठीक है? Let's go and take the next question. I want everyone to follow the same process and tell me whether this is doable or not. Find the opening sentence and tell me the rest of the process. Please look at the second question, all of you. I don't know the answer. I'm looking at it for the first time. But method वही follow करना है. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, just a question I'm asking all of you out of curiosity, will this ever be an opening sentence?
No.
Everyone feels no, right? Why?
No, sir.
No.
क्यों नहीं होगा?
What is clear is not mentioned.
This is much clear, तो उसने लिख दिया ना कि ये तो clear है. देखो जब आप लिखते हो ना this is clear and you put a colon, इसका मतलब जो colon है ना, इसके आगे ये आ रहा है कि क्या क्लियर है. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये कि ये अचानक से क्लैरिटी की बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? व्हाट इज द टॉपिक? व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ क्लैरिटी आर यू गिविंग टू मी? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर यू डिस्कसिंग. कैन आई से दिस इज हैपहैजर्ड?
Yes, sir.
है ना, एक अचानक से दिस इज क्लियर, इंडिया इज गोइंग टू विन द मैच, एज इफ देयर इज अ डिबेट गोइंग ऑन एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड यू आर गिविंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कंक्लूजन. India does not have good batsmen. Pakistan has very good bowlers. They have very good fielders. India will have a tough time. This is but clear that India will win the match. So you feel that, okay, now towards the end it makes sense because I know the topic of discussion, right? So neither one, so एक मिनट ये क्या लिख रहा हूं मैं? Neither one nor two are the opening sentences. Even इससे भी तो ना but से भी मुझको समझ में नहीं आ रहा ना क्या है ये सब. So you would say that these two are the possible opening sentences.
Yes, sir.
Rock historians, Dylan's biographers, and eyewitnesses provide varying accounts of the audience's reaction to Dylan's performance, the reason behind those reactions, and Dylan's response. So can I say that before you talk about this, you would introduce the festival of 1965? ये performance तो इसी time पे हुआ होगा ना, इसी festival में. So you would talk of the festival first, and then you talk about the performance in that festival. Yes or no? Everyone follows this
Yes, sir.
logic?
Yes.
You talk of the so you would say 4-3 is a pair. Any disagreement on this?
Sir, why not third, sir? Third and then fourth.
अच्छा मुझे ये बता दो, रॉक हिस्टोरियंस, डायलेंस बायोग्राफर्स एंड आई विटनेसेस प्रोवाइड वेरिंग अकाउंट्स ऑफ द ऑडियंस रिएक्शन. इसका मतलब ऑडियंस आई थी, इसका मतलब डायलन ने परफॉर्म किया था. ये कब किया था?
Yes. Okay.
भाई डायलन ने परफॉर्म किया, डायलन के बायोग्राफर भी वहां बैठे हुए थे, हो सकता है. but ये performance कहाँ था? Which place? At what time? So can I say time and place is given to me in 4?
Yes, sir.
Bob Dylan's performance at Newport Folk Festival in 65. Understand? In Parajumbles, always give highest priority to place and time. Place and time are often the introductory way of a discussion. So Dylan's performance at the Newport Folk Festival in 65 is widely regarded as one of the pivotal moments in the history of rock music. ठीक है, this is one of the pivotal moments. अब ये but दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
It demands a contrast. But if there is near consensus, and what is near consensus? Near agreement. Can I say consensus का मतलब होता है agreement? If there is near consensus on its importance, there is much less agreement on exactly what happened. है ना? But ये but लगाने का मतलब क्या है? ये तो 4 and 2 does not make sense because but is not justified with 4. But is justified with this. Historians, biographers, eyewitnesses provide varying accounts of the audience reaction. But if there is near consensus on its importance, there is much less agreement on नहीं 4-3 या 4-2 क्या होगा सीक्वेंस? आर यू गेटिंग पॉइंट ना? कैन आई थे कैसे होगा? आर यू गेटिंग कॉट? 4-3 तो पेयर, बट ये बट हु इज जस्टिफाइंग बट? अच्छा, ये वाइडली रिगार्डेड है ना? So can I say that this is basically widely regarded means many people regard it. And if there is consensus on its importance, there is much less agreement on exactly what happened. And much less agreement.
So what's exactly the second sentence is telling?
मेरे को वो भी डाउट लग रहा है. Actually ये contrast क्या कर रहा है? But if there is near consensus on its importance, तो इसका मतलब importance की बात पहले हुई है.
फोर्थ सेंटेंस में बोल रहा है कि एक पिवोटल मूवमेंट था, और फिर सेकंड सेंटेंस में उसको कॉन्ट्रास्ट करके अगर ये
हाँ वही कर
इतना
रहा है.
इंपॉर्टेंट मूवमेंट था.
ये जो कॉन्ट्रास्ट हो रहा है इसके साथ हो रहा है, एक्चुअली इसके साथ नहीं हो रहा है.
तो सर देन 4 के बाद 1 होना चाहिए ना? दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर.
नहीं वो तो खैर दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर इज अ कंक्लूडिंग आइडिया मोस्टली, है ना? दिस इज मच क्लियर. It's a concluding idea. This is much clear. When Dylan took the stage at Newport, in fact, he was feeling like. So, ये पता है क्यों दिखा रहा है? This is much clear. This is much clear इसलिए बोल रहा है. There is much less agreement, है ना? They provide varying accounts. They provide varying accounts. So, varying accounts क्या हो रहा है? No clarity. There is varying accounts means no clarity. But there is one clarity that when Dylan took the stage, he was the leading light of the folk music. So there is much clarity about one thing, and about other things there is not much of clarity. तो आपको ये देखना है कि this is much clear. That means इसके पहले क्या आया होगा? Something which is not clear.
I think 1 is the conclusion.
It's a conclusion. There is no doubt about it. Because after 1 आप क्या बात करोगे फिर? With 1 you end the discussion completely. ये clear है कि when Dylan took the stage, he was the leading light. So you start with Bob Dylan saying that his performance at the Newport is widely regarded as one of the pivotal moments. So this is definitely the opening. Then you will fit 2 more stuff, and towards the end you say this is much clear. Now the point of discussion is that how are you going to fit this contrast? ये but किसके साथ लगेगा? तो ये but लग रहा है if there is near consensus on its importance.
4 के साथ
फोर्थ के साथ जा रहा है.
फोर्थ के साथ जा रहा है. क्यों? आई विल टेल यू नाउ.
क्योंकि
Right.
उसका
क्योंकि
परफॉर्मेंस इतना ज्यादा वो क्यों था, इतना मूवमेंट क्यों था, इसलिए.
देखो, आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग. बट इफ देयर इज नियर कंसेंसस ऑन, यानी कि इसके पहले वाले सेंटेंस में कंसेंसस तो होना चाहिए ना? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? बट इफ देयर इज नियर कंसेंसस ऑन इट्स इंपॉर्टेंस, यानी इस सेंटेंस के पहले कंसेंसस की बात तो की. क्या इसमें कंसेंसस है? इज देयर कंसेंसस हियर? यस और नो?
नो.
नहीं है. व्हाई? हिस्टोरियंस, biographers and eyewitnesses provide varying accounts. So if there is varying accounts of audiences, reactions, performance, etc., then this can't be a consensus. So if this can't be a consensus, then how can you put 2 after 3? 3 में तो basically disagreement है. And then in 2 you say that if there is consensus on its importance. That basically means
फोर्थ में है ना consensus.
हाँ, इसलिए 4th में consensus है. Then
Is widely regarded as one of the pivotal moments.
yes, he is widely regarded as one of is widely regarded as one of the pivotal moments. But if there is consensus on its importance, there is much less agreement on what exactly वहां पर exactly क्या हुआ था. उसके वेरिंग अकाउंट्स दिए गए हैं. किसने दिया? बायोग्राफर ने दिया, आई विटनेस ने दिया. किसके बारे में? What exactly happened on that place? But one thing is very much clear, that he was, when he took the stage, he was the leading light of folk music. Are we clear? Yes or no? बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है ना?
So there is much less agreement on exactly what happened.
हाँ, exactly what happened, इस पे agreement है. Much less agreement का मतलब क्या है? Disagreement ज्यादा है, तभी तो varying account होगा ना. What is varying account? अलग अलग ओपिनियन है.
Yes.
तो इसको लेकर के ओपिनियन सबका सेम है. That Bob Dylan's performance is widely regarded as the pivotal moment. Widely regarded का मतलब क्या होता है? Everyone agrees. So that's why there is consensus. But if there is consensus on this, there is much less agreement on what exactly happened that day. Everyone is giving a different opinion. But one thing is clear. ये बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, ये कैट टाइप क्वेश्चन है. अब ये कैसा होगा क्वेश्चन? इजी होगा, डिफिकल्ट होगा या मॉडरेट होगा? प्लीज गिव मी अ कैटेगरी. ऑल ऑफ यू आर गुड एट कैटेगराइजिंग, राइट? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डिफिकल्टी वुड यू पुट दिस क्वेश्चन इन?
Moderate. Moderate.
मॉडरेट है ये, मॉडरेट है ये, डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. Why do I say it's moderate? Understand. 4 is clearly opening, 1 is clearly ending. You have to just put 2 more places. So if you look at the question answer, 50% होगा 4-2-3-1, 50% होगा 4-3-2-1. Any question that has 50% chance of this is a. यार देखो, पता है क्या होता है? डिफिकल्टी कब होती है ना, जब बहुत ज्यादा पकड़ में नहीं आएगा. इसमें है ना, आपको बस ये डिसाइड करना है कि 3-2 पहले क्या आएगा, और बट से कॉन्ट्रास्ट समझ में आता है. So the ones who are little alert, they will mark 4-2-3-1. The ones who are less alert, they would mark 4-3-2-1. That is, they would go straight away. तो ऐसा हिट एंड मिस होता रहता है. ये मॉडरेट कैटेगरी में आएगा. Because it is easy to understand the question. I mean the sentences. It is easy to pick the opening and the ending. The only between things you have to fit, and that too is not very complicated. So these are the kind of questions that take you from 92 percentile to 99 percentile. Understand what I'm telling you? These are the kind of questions that will take you from 92, 93 percentile in VARC to 99 percentile.